Hi, my name is Elsie and I'm a holistic health coach. I actually work with busy women who are overwhelmed, overstressed, overworked, and overgiving. So to help restore balance, create a healthy eating and self-care routine, but most importantly, to empower them to choose how they live their lives. And today I have with me Irene Khor, who is based in Singapore. Irene is a BodyTalk instructor and practitioner. She's been practicing BodyTalk for 14 years now. I will take you over to Irene. Hi, Irene.
Hi, Elsie. Thanks for today.
Let me ask you, I know what BodyTalk is all about because I've been receiving lots of BodyTalk sessions from you. For the sake of everyone listening here, can you tell us a little bit more what BodyTalk is all about in layman terms?
Wow, that will be an interesting one. Body talk, as the word itself says, body talk, in a nutshell means our body is talking to us 24/7 from the moment of conception. Our body has the information and the ability to self-regulate. Like we don't have to think when we eat, right? We put something in our mouth or when we drink or whatever, even breathing. It's not something that we think about, but it is like, I love to use computer analogy, like people can understand. So it's like the operating system in a human being. So what we do in Body Talk is we consult this intelligence, this operating system in a body to find out what is the story or the issues when it's unprocessed that is leading to any particular problem. It could be a physical issues, emotional challenges, or even beliefs, or we get a little bit not able to do whatever we want to do in life. So Body Talk is a system or a modality or a healing session that we actually address from the body's perspective. What is going on? What's the story that leads to the problem? So we can actually nail it or treat the symptoms from the cause itself instead of just merely getting rid of a symptom. So that's in a nutshell what Body Talk is. Is it like healing it at the roots?
From a newbie, is there a simpler way for one to practice Body Talk?
Yes, in what I mentioned just now is Body Talk as in healing session. That's what I do as a Body Talk practitioner. The client comes to me and I facilitate the healing and they go home that they have received the healing. But then if I were to use an analogy, right, if I am a dentist and you come to me for a session, I do the cleaning or whatever else I do. But when a person goes back, they have to learn how to brush their teeth on their own. Very simple one-day workshop. It's called the Body Talk Access. It's a self-care tool like brushing your teeth. It can help their body be in a balance or be in equilibrium or be aligned at all times.
Nice. Now, I have actually done Access before, and that was many years ago.
Right?
And, what I did was I actually interface or integrated with one of the tools that I always use, and that's actually essential oils, pure essential oils. And I have an oil called Stress Away. Stress is actually neither good nor bad. Without stress, one actually has got no sense of urgency, yes?
Right.
So, to a certain extent, stress actually helps to serve some good function as well. However, physically, our body may not be able to deal with that stress. So there is a tapping that I learned from Irene that helps to regulate how the body deals with stress, handles it. So I do that tapping and I actually do it along with this oil called Stress Away.
Nice.
Now, what the oil does is they actually set me deeper in motion and also engage my 5 senses when I'm doing the tapping. So I feel that it is wholesome in the way I do it. I'm not sure whether you've tried it. On its own, it works beautifully. And then, the Stress Away on its own also works beautifully. But when I actually integrate these two together, it's like magic just happens. And at the end of the day, all I want to do is to just assimilate it well so that it can be dealt with and flushed out, what's not serving me. So this is what it does for me, Stress Away.
Yeah, it is nice you mentioned that, because that's the synergistic effect as well. Body talk is so unique that, because what it does is we work with the body's natural ability. We've heard this term probably over and over again, like the body can heal itself. But what does that really mean? So body talk is really one unique technique that we work with the body's natural intelligence. Like you say, stress is neither good or bad. To what extent are we aware that we are stressful? So I was one of them when I used to work at corporate world. I love my job, and I could even work like 14 hours a day, and I'm still super hyped up. But my body, internally or subconsciously, or whichever word you use, is actually suffering from overworked. But I am not consciously aware because I enjoy so much what I do. So when you do the body talk or body talk access techniques, it actually allows your body to say, it's like, this is my threshold, this is my limit. And then you can either, the body will, you will feel a little bit more tired. So you're not getting tired because of excess, but it's like you're highlighting the body's natural signal to goes like, enough is enough, right? You hit the limit, and then when you integrate with either essential oils or whatever other things that you do, it actually amplifies, the effect, and then get you more relaxed. And you're supposed to rest by a certain time, and then you get very, when you sleep, then you get more rested sleep. Right. So of course you can stretch. You're human. Sometimes we have deadlines to meet. You stretch, and then maybe in a weekend or the following week, that when you get the time to rest, you really have the luxury of giving your body that time to rest fully. So that's what we meant by really truly working with the body's own rhythm. So we're not overstretching. We're not under. Overstretching is one thing. There's also another category. There's two sides of a coin. There's also one point where they say underperforming.
Yeah.
That we can do so much more. But because we are tired, and we just, the body is also designed to protect us. So when we feel like we're overexerted, some parts of the operation, natural operation, actually shuts down. So
and then you bring your body back to awareness, and therefore you tap it back into balance.
Exactly.
Right. Tell us a little bit more about this course you'll be conducting. Can you tell us a little bit more about the content of it and the duration? What is the exchange for it?
Yes, sure. The course is on May 30th and 31st. It's 2 afternoons, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m.
I like the fact that this access is now available online, because this has never happened before.
Yeah.
And so it's wonderful. And that it's not one full day, it's 2 half days, because it gives participants the opportunity to go back and just practice with what they've learned, the first day with their family members, to get the hang of it, and come back to you again the next day for any Q&A as well. So I like this arrangement.
What you will learn is 5 techniques designed in the sequence to put our body back into that balance. But there's a sequence is in the first 2 techniques, it's called cortices and switching. So what this 2 technique does is it balances the stress threshold, and it put the mind into more present, rather than we're all over the shop and rushing for time. The one common word we use is stress. So it takes the body out of that stress mode, put the body back into an equilibrium, or another word that I most commonly use is take the body out of a fight and flight mode. So that's the first 2 techniques. So once the body is more calm, the next technique, or the third technique, is called hydration. So hydration is where, when the system is calm, then the cell receptors can allow water to go inside the cells. And that's where all our functions are done, from within the cells, all the mitochondria and stuff. Yeah, so we want to get hydration into the cells. So it's like pumping petrol. And in body talk, we used to say, or I used to say, hydration, the concept of hydration is not about how much water you drink, but how much water our cells can absorb.
Yeah, well, I learned that also, because when the body, and not all our bodies actually automatically absorbs all the water that we drink. So the technique in excess, which is what you've mentioned, the hydration bit, will tune the body or the cells to actually be efficient in absorbing, so that it actually hydrates the body. So that's actually a great step. So Irene, I remember, okay, if my memory serves me correctly, in Access, right, there is one step of the tapping that actually helps the body to boost its immune system naturally. If I'm not mistaken, it's called body chemistry. Can you tell us more about it?
Oh, yeah, your memory is right. This is what, 10 years since you've done Access? That would be correct. The technique is called body chemistry, and what it does is it actually helps to stimulate the body's immune system. For the immune system to work healthily, it has to not overreact, nor does it need to be underreact. So it has to be optimal. So for example, COVID, right? So if body detects virus, and we know that the only thing that can deal with virus is our own immune system. There's no medication out there. Even for COVID, there's no vaccine out there yet, right? So we want to stimulate our body to the extent that it is healthy, it is calm, it is hydrated, is, very healthy, so that it can deal with any form of virus, bacteria, parasites, and even fungi or fungus. With BodyTalk and BodyTalk Access, we deal with the physical, emotional, mental, like I said. So we can also get a lot of emotion coming up. Everybody is staying at home. So the immune system is strong and we are calm, we are less reactive emotionally as well. And that will improve our emotional well-being and relationships in the long run. So that's a very, very important and critical technique to have.
I also learned that in Access, we can also hold that intention and send that Access session to somebody who is not physically with us right now, and it works very well. You know, what do you have to say about that?
With BodyTalk Access, sure, you can definitely send or do the Access techniques for your family members or friends who's staying abroad. The receiver needs to be aware.
Okay,
Yeah.
So you need the permission from the receiver.
That's
Okay.
right.
So what would the contribution or participation fees be like for this upcoming Access workshop that you've got?
For the online version, it's only at $200.
That's a good deal. That's really a good deal, because you know, people can learn in the comfort of their own home. Is it okay if other participants actually sit in on the online course as well?
Oh yes, I'm doing this something.
Family members.
Family members. So this is also I'm extending. So it's unique to the circuit breaker situation. So this offer is also per household, and the household applies to the circuit breaker or the MCO rules. So whoever lives in your same house, they can sit in and tune in with you.
That is excellent. That's really, really cool. Okay, so I'm glad this is now available. Really, the COVID situation, you know, or the pandemic actually really changed the way we do things, you know, doesn't it? And I like that, you know, we now extending this beyond the normal classroom style. Well, excellent. I actually look forward. I've done this before, but it seems like I actually need what do you call an audit or a refresher? So I might just join you in this online course. So if you guys want to join me, I might just see you in class. So until we meet again, Irene, in our nuggets of self-care discoveries.
Thanks so much, Elsie. And I hope to see you guys soon in class. Thank you so much. And thanks, Elsie.
Thanks. Bye-bye.